So this is my front yard. So much done fell in. Sound like I was in a war zone last night. So much snapping and popping. Like, it is a mess, y'all. Right when I seen the trees started leaning more, I was like, hey, I need to ask my neighbor if I can take my vehicles over there. She don't have none on that side. She was like, yeah, as soon as we did it, could have been an hour later, it started coming down. Well, my wife's car normally be right there, so that's been her car. So, you know, it is what it is. We're glad we moved some stuff around, man. It is, and it's still raining real bad. It's messy right now. So, I'm not about to get in this stuff right now if I ain't got to. It's early this morning. I just had to come out and take another look at what was going on. I got a lot of, man, it's a lot of debris. Brush to pick up. I've never witnessed though go from summer straight to winter. To be real with y'all, this is a new one for me, completely. They said this was historic, and I believe it. This was a historic moment in Oklahoma City. That's what they say. It's historic in my life too, because I never went from summer straight to winter. Like, y'all, where it went from I was sweating outside working to literally it was freezing and caused all this damage. I'm thankful I still have power right now. So I'm glad most of the stuff fell down from around it, but there's some good ones that broke up there, as you see. The top ones that was kind of keeping a lot of shade, they just fell down. A lot of them is broke, they just sitting up there. So once it falls out some, that stuff just gonna fall down. You're gonna have to watch yourself, because a lot of it just hanging, you know. My backyard, it looks bad too. You see this part over here. That's all on the house. Well, one of them days. Y'all be safe out there. Hold on.